Hello my technical friends, and we are in lab 2.8.6 and we are going to be working with directories, and this is TestOut Linux Pro. So you are working with the files and directories on your Linux system. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to locate your current working directory, answer question 1, view the detailed information for the /HR directory, answer question 2 and 3, see if there are any hidden files in the /HR directory, and then answer question 4. So let's go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we'll just wait for the lab to load. So in case you need further assistance on how to solve other lab TestOut labs, you may want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed exclusive perks and one-on-one video guidance on how to solve any of the compTIA lab at all. So let's just wait for this to load so that we'll start up right away. Alright, so this is loaded. Let's start up right away. So the first thing that we want to do is to, let's see, okay, let's see the tags we have on the left pane again, just to be sure. So we go to the terminal and then we start up. So we type in the pwd and press enter. And then let's see just one, what is the current working directory? So let's go into the /home /wadam. This is it here, /home /wadam. What is the size of the /HR directory? Okay. So for question 2, we'll minimize this and come back to it later when we find out from the terminal. So in the terminal, you want to type in, let's see, you want to type in ls/1. Okay. Alright, so this is going to be, what is the size of the /HR directory? It's going to be 12568. Alright, so that is it. So for the other questions, we'll go back to our editor in the terminal and we type in ls /a /HR, then you press enter. Oh, invalid option. Okay, so for question 3, what is the okay, question 4, what is the name of the hidden directory? Same fit, so we'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, share so that others can benefit also. Consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video.